Hello guy, I will guide you through how to use the ODO adjustment function on the 2026 Honda PCX. On the table is a Smart Tool Eco device, one adapter reset and one 8-color cable. Next to it is an ODO simulator which is used to power the ODO meter. I'll go to the Allmotor app to look up the connection pin diagram of the ODO meter. Honda PCX ODO programming. Next, I will power on the instrument cluster to check the current odometer reading. As you can see, the current ODO value is 4,500 kilometers. I will use the Smart Tool Eco device to calibrate the ODO value of the PCX 2026. I connected the 8 colors to the ODO meter. Now I will connect the Smart Tool Eco to the ODO meter. Go to the ODO meter function. Others. PCX 2025 S6 J336C. Select the desired odometer value. I will set the odometer value to 500 kilometers. Wait for the programming process to reach 100%. I will power the instrument cluster on again to verify the updated odometer value. As you can see, the current odometer reading is 500 km. That's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.